Do you need a list of shortcut keys available in Word? In this quick tip, you discover that generating such a list is very easy, right within the program. There are obviously lots of shortcut key lists that you can find online, or you can even purchase fancy versions that are printed and laminated. You don't need to go to the expense or trouble of finding such lists, however. You can, instead, create one right within Word. Notice that I have a new blank document on the screen. There's nothing in it. I'm going to go ahead and press Alt plus F8, which displays the Macros dialog box. Now, when you pull up this dialog box, it may not look exactly like this, but notice that right down here, in the Macros In drop-down list, I have selected Word commands, and what that does is give a very long list of commands that are available within Word. I'm going to scroll down because the one that I'm interested in here is called List Commands, and since these are in alphabetical order, all I got to do is get down to the L's and then go back up just a little bit, and there it is right there. List Commands. I'm going to select that, and when I click on Run, notice what happens. I get a dialog box that asks what type of list I want. The default setting right here is just fine. I'm going to click on OK, and now I have a long document that's been created that lists every keyboard shortcut on this system. Both built-in and custom shortcuts are included. Notice that the table that is created has the shortcuts split into two columns, one for the modifier keys and one for the primary key. Well, I'm not privy to how Microsoft developers decided to make this into two columns, but I suspect that this was done so that you can sort the table by the primary key if you want to. Now you can either save this document or print it out and use it for a desk reference. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might want to consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.